Hey, YouTube, Danielle K. Howard here, your online success coach. And in this video, I'm going to be doing some cold calling. So you all know that I just recently started doing some real estate investing. And I'm starting out by wholesaling real estate. If you don't know what wholesaling real estate is, I'll make another video about that. But basically, you are buying the contract of someone's home and you are assigning it to an end buyer, cash buyer. So basically, a wholesaler is like a middleman, okay? A middleman between a seller and an end buyer. And we get a fee for being that middleman. So what I've been learning, I graduated from Real Advisor School, which I'm still in mentoring with right now. I'm in a 6-month mentoring program. And within that 6 months, I am challenging myself to do at least 3 deals, at least. Each deal is, they're saying that we can make at least $10,000 per deal. So I'm excited about it. It's been about 30 days since I've been here with this program. The mentors are excellent. You know, we get that coaching, it's group coaching, it's mentoring every single day. And it's been very, very satisfying and fulfilling and informative and motivating and inspiring, you know, seeing people who started out without knowing anything really about real estate. Like myself, the only thing I knew about real estate, and if you watched my other video, was investing in REITs, right? And Fundrise, which I talked about in one of my videos. I'll put that video down below. Yes, I still have my online real estate business, but now my real estate investing, but now I am going to be investing in physical real estate. So, you know, physical real estate, that's where it's at, right? And so on this journey, I'm going to be sharing with you, you know, for those of you who want multiple streams of income, that is the name of the game, guys. You cannot expect to become financially free with just one stream of income. Your job is not going to do it. Even if you have a business, that one business, God forbid something happens, like when I got sick in 2018, you know, I had a couple streams of income, which was good. And it literally, some of that income lasted. I still get some, you know, income from that even up until today. Not a lot. It kind of tapered off because I wasn't marketing anymore or anything like that. But it was refreshing to open up my bank account app and see, you know, a few $100s here, a few $100s there. It wasn't tens of thousands of dollars, but it was something. So, multiple streams of income is the name of the game. So you want to have your stocks, right? That is not really income right now, but that's income for the future. You want to have your stocks. You want to have your gold, your silver, your copper, right? You want to have those things. You want to even have some diamonds, right? You want to have some diamonds. You want to have some precious metals. You want to have a side hustle or your job, right? You have to have some kind of income coming in. Don't just quit everything to start over here, because what's going to happen is you're going to be in survival mode instead of thriving mode. And, that's not a good feeling. So you want to have your side hustle and or your job, and then you can build your businesses, build it to the point where now you are able to get some employees, people to help you build multiple streams, affiliate marketing, you know, maybe some coaching. What are you good at? Maybe you have some crafts that you can sell, things like that. Real estate, right? Real estate. Just all types of things. Just think about what you're good at, But anyway, that wasn't the title of this video. This video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm cold calling. Now, let me tell you something. I'm shooting this video because you guys are going to help me. You're going to give me that. I have no problem speaking to people. I really don't. I have no problem speaking to people. But just the idea, and I've been cold calling, so this is not going to be my first time, but just the idea of calling people and, you know, with them not expecting to hear from me, right? Like they don't know why I'm calling. So I have to use this script that I was given. So with your assistance, with your help, just knowing that you're here is going to help me, hopefully, or maybe not, but hopefully one of these people will say, yes, I want to sell my house, right? That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a yes. So of course, I'm probably going to get a lot of no's, a bunch of no's before I get to a yes. But my objective is to get to a yes. So in these videos, when I do these videos for you all, I want you to, understand that you have to start somewhere. You just can't start from the top. Everybody wants to start from the top. Nobody wants to start, at the bottom. But started from the bottom, now we're here, right? You got to start from the bottom. So every business that I've ever had, I've always started from the bottom. It's a grind in the beginning. It just is, until you build it up to where you want it to be, and then let other people take over that grind for you. But in the beginning, you can't hire people to do a task for you that you're not familiar with. You cannot hire somebody to cold call a lead for you if you've never cold called. You understand? Like that's one of the things that I don't like about, certain companies, when they hire somebody that has no idea about how they started from the entry level position, right? Me, I would rather hire, let's say I was running a school, right? And I needed to hire a principal. Guess what? That principal will definitely be a teacher first. Well, maybe that's a bad example because principals usually are teachers. But let's say chancellors, right? Chancellors. Sometimes they're not teachers. They're business people. Why isn't that? If I was to hire a chancellor, if I was the mayor of my city and I needed to hire a chancellor of the school system, I'm going to hire somebody that's familiar with the school system. They were a teacher. Maybe they started out as an assistant teacher. Then they went to a full-time maybe they started out as a substitute teacher, right? Then maybe they started out as assistant teacher. Then they went to become a substitute teacher. Then they became a full-time teacher. Then they became a principal. Now they're a chancellor, right? Working your way up. That's how things are supposed to happen in my world. That's just me. I feel like the more you know how the grind is on the bottom, the more you are able to assist the people that are coming in to your establishment, right? You gotta know what everyone at every level has dealt with. That makes an effective leader, in my opinion. Not just starting from the top and I came from this organization and now I'm over here. But wait a minute, you don't know my plight. You don't know my concerns because you were never in my shoes. Walk a mile in my shoes first before I can respect you and before I can look at you as my leader. So that, my friends, that being said, I want to walk a mile in your shoes, right? So if you decide to become a real estate investor, starting out with wholesaling, which is like the entry level to real estate investing, I want you to know that I'm starting right here, right now. So you can always come back to these videos and say, well, Danielle started right here. Let me watch what she did. And now, she's a successful real estate investor. And it was just a couple years ago that she started here cold calling on this channel, right? So without further ado, I am going to start cold calling. All right, so stay tuned.